Assalamu alaikum grade 6. Today we will do a wheel in Excel and screw. Screw is an inclined plane that spirals around a pole. The spiral part is known as the thread and the distance between two consecutive threads is known as the pitch. Its sharp edge becomes another simple tool, the screw. How does the screw help you do work? You have studied in the last lecture a lot about it. I will tell you now graphically with animated video how does it work. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a pole which holds the two objects together and lifts an object when you use a screw. The inclined plane moves the pole up and down. You apply a weak circular force as in this screwdriver is doing, and the screw changes this weak circular force to a strong downward or upward force. The slotted head can have various types of shapes. Wheel in Excel is used in many different ways in our life. You would have seen these wheel in Excel types like toy car or other things. This man is using many wheels. Okay, wheel in Excel is a machine, simple machine. A longer motion at the edge of the wheel is converted to a shorter, more powerful motion at the axle. Wheel in Excel, there are two types, gears and chain or belt. You might have used them. Students, we have been studying screw. In the last lecture, we have studied screw. Okay, here are some examples of screw. Screw. A nut and bolt is also screw. A monkey wrench is also screw. A visor clamp is also screw. A book binding press is also screw. Here, car jack is also screw. Some car jacks use a screw. By putting it round, the weight of the car can be lifted higher. Okay? But here, a very strange Archimedes screw you will read. This is page number 104. One of the first screw machines was invented in the 3rd century BC by Greek mathematician and inventor Archimedes. He used this to irrigate the fields and to pump water out of the ships. The shape of Archimedes screw was this. Okay? An Archimedes screw being used to raise water to irrigate fields. How? It has a barrel and has handle. Okay, wheel in Excel are here also. Wheel in Excel we will study later in this video. There is a pulley also, but the main thing is these spirals. This barrel opens here in water. These turns when the wheel in Excel is turned, the screw is turning, and these barrels, spiral barrels, are taking water out of it and are pumping water for our usage. Okay, this machine was used for, we have studied right now, this machine was used to irrigate fields and to pump water out of the ship's hold. Okay, now this machine rise as the screw turned and the water poured out of the hole in the top of the cylinder, as I have told. Okay, there are some examples of Archimedes screw: snowblower, a ship or airplane propeller, a worm gear, a corkscrew, a jack screw, a food mincer, a piano stool. You would have taken the juice of Musambi or Kinnu from such type of mincer. Okay, now we will study the next topic, that is wheel in Excel. Here at page number 105, it is told that wheel in Excel, how wheel in Excel would have been discovered. They have told that one man in the ancient times would have used a log under some stone and that would have moved easily, but the trouble would have been there that a wheel by itself is not of much use because it cannot be stopped. When it is rolling, it cannot be stopped. The wheel must have another log to act as an axle to start or to stop its movement. So, the earliest evidence of using the first wheels is coming from Sumerians. Sumerians are thought that they were in modern Iraq and they were using wheel in Excel in 3500 BC. Almost 5,000 years ago they used it. So the first wheels were probably made by slicing logs. Okay. Now, they're telling that at page number 106, they're telling that Wheel in Excel, you can use a wheel to turn something heavy by spinning a large wheel attached to an axle that is attached to the heavy thing. A pencil sharpener or a car steering wheel works. You have seen it, you have used it as well, might be. You have been a driver, you will be using it. Okay, wheels on a wagon only touch the ground at one spot at a time, keeping the rest of the wagon off the ground. This makes less friction, so the wagon is easier to move than if you were pulling it along like a sled. So dragging is far difficult than using wheels. Okay, so wheel in Excel are used in wheelbarrow, spinning wheels, water wheels, and pulleys. Now they are saying that why it is said that wheel in Excel is first class lever. So they are explaining that this is also the answer of our exercise which we will do later. The wheel in Excel is an example of first class lever. In this case, the fulcrum has been replaced by an axle and the arm have been repeated around the axle to make up the spokes or disc of the wheel. This lets the lever turn round through 360 degrees instead of the limiting turning in a lever or seesaw movement. Okay students, now some examples of wheel in Excel are here. Include a windlass, a capstan, a water wheel, a windmill, a wind turbine, gears, doorknobs, the handles, two water taps, and steering wheels. Disabled people can get about wheelchairs. These are also this and this. Both are examples of wheel in Excel. Okay, this is capstan. Suppose they are in the ship. The load has been lifted by this rope and these two boys are applying force to move round, and this load is being lifted by this rope. Okay, this is done by capstan. Okay, in a well it is done by pulley. Okay, here is a well which has a wheel in Excel. There is a rope. It's actually a pulley. The pulley is taking the load up, and here the force is applied. So we have done page number 107 reading. This is a graphical representation of Archimedes screw. See, you can see that it is moving and the cylinder shape is helping it out. Examples of wheel in Excel are here. Excel moves a shorter distance but it takes greater force to move it. Examples are doorknobs, rotation you can see. In case of doorknobs, the applied force is more. Okay, here the wheel in Excel increases your force but you must exert your force over a long distance. Screwdriver and wheel in Excel are same. They are the examples of lever. Here is the same question. That's why I have added this picture here. In what ways is the wheel in Excel like a lever? So the answer we have studied in the reading too. The answer is here. I have shown the diagram as well. A wheel in Excel is an example of a first class lever. The fulcrum is the axle and the arms of the lever are the spokes or disc of the wheel. Inner wheel of the lever can turn through 360 degree around the fulcrum and Excel rather than the limited up and down seesaw movements in the usual type of lever. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.